Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your freelance accounting with Xero, full guide step by step clearly. To improve your freelance accounting with Xero, first, create a Xero account. Visit the Xero website and select the option to start a free trial. Fill out the necessary details to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Next, customize your organization's profile. Enter your business name, address, and logo for branding. Then, set up your financial settings. Input your currency settings and payment terms. Proceed to connect your bank account for automatic importing. Go to the Bank Accounts section and select Add Bank Account. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank account. Once your bank account is connected, start creating invoices. Navigate to the Invoicing section and select New Invoice. Fill in the client details, items, and amounts for the invoice. Customize your invoice template as needed. After creating your invoice, send it directly to your client from Xero. Next, track your expenses efficiently. Use the Expense Claims feature to upload receipts digitally. Record each expense with the corresponding details. Regularly reconcile your bank transactions. Go to the reconciliation page and match transactions to your records. This ensures all financial data is current and accurate. Now, generate financial reports to assess your business performance. Access the Reports section to view profit and loss statements. Customize reports to focus on specific time periods. Utilize the dashboard for real-time insights into your finances. Next, set reminders for upcoming tax deadlines. Integrate your Xero account with tax software if necessary. Finally, regularly review your accounting practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.